So hello everyone. So last class we were discussing about gene interaction, both allelic and interallelic, and I just begin slightly about linkage. So before going to linkage, I would like to discuss few things, then we will discuss linkage. Okay, so the points, why was Mendel successful? Okay, reasons behind Mendel's success. So whenever we think, like I have already mentioned that Mendel was lucky, he did not get in any of the 7 characters he chose, he did not get linkage. Okay, so on the other hand, we tell that Mendel is unlucky because during his lifetime his publications, his work was not recognized. But on the other hand, there are many reasons, okay, by which which favored Mendel's experiment. Okay, so the firstly, all the plants, that is the pea plant he chose, can be controlled breeding, that is he could easily do the artificial cross pollination. Okay, so the plants, the pea plants he chose, it can be easily done control breeding, which favor his cross pollination system. Okay, so cross pollination kora karone gute experiment to Mendel or easy hoy gol. The second point is true parents. So my first initially only I mentioned about the true parents. Pure first step to asile Mendeler first step to asile that he selection of pure parents, and a gute step to gute technique or first step to asile selection of true parents, aru gute step to koribole Mendel took 2 years for selection of true parents or pure parents. Okay, then the third step is, the third point is, he analyzed the results based on statistical method and probability statistical method. So as I already mentioned, Mendel was a mathematician, he was not a biologist. So that was an advantage, that he could analyze all the results on the basis of statistical methods and law of probability. So this is the fourth point which favored Mendel's success. He analyzed all the results based on statistical method and law of probability. Fourthly, he always, before doing the experiment, he always worked on carrying out a working hypothesis. Working hypothesis on theoretical basis, and later he does the experiment based on that hypothesis. So he was working in a very systematic manner. Firstly, he used to make a proper working hypothesis on the theoretical basis, what he observed. Then he used to carry the experiment. So it was very systematic way of carrying out his work. Fifthly, all the 7 characters that he chose didn't show linkage or incomplete dominance or co-dominance. There was no exception shown. Okay, so the fifth point is, the 7 characters he chose did not show any exception mostly linkage দেখুৱা নাছিলে নহলে মেন্ডেলৰ এক্সপেৰিমেন্ট সব ফেইল হৈ গল হয় and আমি আজি মেন্ডেলিজম পঢ়ি না থাকিল হয় ওকে তো দিস ইজ দ্য ভেৰি পইণ্ট যত আমি মেন্ডেলক লাকি কনসিডাৰ কৰো and for every character he took there was only a single gene which consists of pair of alleles, one dominant and the other is recessive. Okay, so fifth whole, every character he chose was governed by a single gene which consists of further two alleles and one allele is dominant and other is recessive. And the seventh point is he always kept accurate record of all the breeding experiment. He observed all the experiment closely, kept a proper record of all his experiments. So these are the reasons for Mendel's success. Firstly, the plant he chose, that is pea plant, it undergoes controlled breeding, which is very easy for Mendel to carry out cross pollination. Secondly, he implemented his time in finding the true parents. For that he took 2 years. Thirdly, he analyzed the results based on statistical method and law of probability, since he was a mathematician. He carried out a working hypothesis. He formulated a working hypothesis on theoretical basis and further carried out his experiments based on it. Fifth is, all the 7 characters he chose did not show any exceptions, no linkage, no codominance, no incomplete dominance. For every character he chose, there was only one gene responsible. And further, 2 alleles, one is dominant and other is recessive. And the last point is he always kept the accurate record of all his experiment, which helped him to further analyze all his results in a systematic way and go for a better conclusions. So I will move towards the next point. So, as I discussed earlier, Mendel described the time when Mendel experiment was going on. Mendel did not know about the concept of gene. He just named it. There are something known as factors which are inherited from generation to generation through gametes. Okay, he did not knew the concept of gene. So it was after Mendel's experiment later the concept of gene, nucleus and chromosomes came. Okay, so there were 2 scientists, Sutton and Boveri. These were the 2 scientists who noticed that there is some parallelism between the chromosomes and Mendelian factors. So these were the 2 scientists who drew there is something parallelism. Parallelism means like there is something related between the chromosomes, or they lie in the parallel lines. Okay, parallel, like there is something relation between chromosomes and Mendelian factors. Since Mendel's time there was no gene concept, no chromosomes, no nucleus. It was developed later. Okay, So, according to Sutton and Boveri, chromosomes are present in pairs. Similarly, Mendel also told in his Mendel assumed that hereditary factors exist in pairs. So, chromosomes are homologous chromosomes. Okay, they are always in pair. Similarly, there is a fact that always factors are also present in pair. So, it was the first postulate of Mendel which gave relation with chromosome. Okay. The second postulate is that law of segregation, or Mendel's postulate of segregation, which says that every factor segregate or separate at the time of gamete formation. Similarly, chromosomes also get separated during meiosis. Okay. So, they both conclude that the law of segregation also holds correct for chromosomes. So, they could relate it. Thirdly, the law of independent assortment. In case of Mendelian factors, the genes, both the genes, what happened? They used to segregate they used to separate independently. They can form both parental combinations and new combinations. Same goes in case of chromosomes. Okay. So, this could correlate. So, and further it was found that Sutton and Boveri found that the units of inheritance, that is the later known as genes, they are found in the chromosomes. Okay. And from all this idea, they could further draw the chromosomal theory of inheritance. Chromosomal theory of inheritance was given by Sutton and Boveri at the year 1902, and it was further confirmed by Morgan. In the PDF, I have given all the details of the what are the hypotheses, how chromosomes and genes are related. So, moi matro jikhini kolu ekhini moi PDF ot bhalke likhi disu. Just tumaleke go through it, and kiba doubt hole next class or huri loba. Because theory explain kori eku tumaleke reading kori theories kini buji paba. Just I want to focus in the main things jibilak bujar karone important hoy. Okay. So, the main statement given by chromosomal theory of inheritance is that it states that Mendelian factors or genes are located at specific loci on chromosomes. So, it states that Mendelian factors or genes, which are later known as genes, are located at specified loci on chromosome. Ekdom first class genetics of monat ase, chromosomes, locus, everything details are that assort and segregate independently during meiosis recombine at the time of fertilization. तो chromosomal theory of inheritance से एटू state करे the Mendelian factors or genes are located at specific loci on the chromosomes. They have a particular location, okay, on the chromosome. These genes assort and segregate independently during meiosis. During meiosis, gamete formation की है, they segregate or assort independently. Again recombine at the time of fertilization. तो आमी आगोते पढ़िसु like during fertilization, one comes from maternal side and other genes come from paternal side. So this is the statement given under the chromosomal theory of inheritance, that the units of inheritance or factors are located at specific chromosome that assort or segregate independently during meiosis and recombine at the time of fertilization. Suppose this is a homologous chromosome, okay. This is a homologous chromosome. So during segregation of chromosome will initially take place. तो segregation of chromosome होता है first this is the segregation of chromosome. Then next segregation of chromatids will take place. So this is a homologous chromosome. Initially ki hobo segregation of chromosome hobo, tar pisot this particular chromosome will further segregation of chromatids will take place, okay. Is it clear? Initially chromosome segregate hobo, tar pisot chromatids pur segregate hobo. This can be explained that chromosomal theory of inheritance to further explain koribo pari like zygote and ovum. Spermatozoan from male and ovum from female contributes to the zygote, okay. तो spermatozoan और ovum fertilize होई पिने zygote होय and spermatozoan aru ovum both contributes to the formation of nucleus. Okay, nucleus er bhitorot thake chromosomes. Chromosomes er bhitorot thake genes. So this fact can also help us to relate that the theory of chromosomal inheritance. Okay, in male and female gametes you can find both contributes to the nucleus. From the nucleus you can derive, inside the nucleus there are chromosomes and further chromosomes consist of genes. So from this we can say that chromosomes of each kind separate in meiosis, and it is obvious that the genes of each kind also do the same. During the meiosis the chromosomes will separate, and inside this chromosomes there are genes. So the genes will also do the same. So jetia ami genes porisilu tetia ami porisilu de one pair of the gene, one out of the pair present in the offspring, one pair is one of the pair mane one is inherited from parent and paternal side and other from maternal side. Chromosome segregate itself in meiosis 1. Jetia chromosome segregate hobo, similarly genes segregate hobo because they are present inside the chromosome. So jetia eta offspring produce hobo tetia hole ki hoy, eta a pair of genot eta thake paternal side opra aru eta thake maternal side opra. So this can also prove that chromosomal theory of inheritance. Okay, is it clear? Okay, and this theory was given by Sutton and Boveri in the year 1902, and it was further confirmed by Morgan. So last class we were discussing about linkage. So linkage ki asil? What was linkage? It is the tendency of the genes to remain together. It is the tendency of the genes present in the same chromosome to remain together from generation to generation. So last class my example disilu, tumalokor eta friends or group hoday ekeloge boha aru jetia tumalage furibo joa hoday ekeloge joa. Okay, so tumalage jetia tumalogok dekhu always ekeloge dekhu, hoday physics class hok, bio class hok, maths class hok, sob ekeloge bohi thaka. So here like it's similar in case of linkage. So it is the tendency of the genes present in the chromosome to get inherited from generation to generation. Aru etu kihor exception asil? Law of independent assortment. Because ami independent assortment at porhisilu je all the alleles they separate. Okay, kunu kaku influence nokore, like they notun combination form hoy, parental combination form hoy, kintu yate ki hoy ase, yate ki hobo the same combination to repeat hoy ase, like tumi yate new combinations nupua. Okay, so this contradicts the law of independent assortment. So let's begin with linkage. Acha linkage kune disile? Linkage kune disile? Yeah, later confirmed by Morgan. Okay, so and it was studied in Drosophila melanogaster. Okay, Drosophila melanogaster dekhisile ki red eyes and grey body. এই দুটা character কি হয়? Every generation repeat হয়. These two characters go together into the gamete. Both this character lies in same chromosome. Both this gene lie in the same chromosome and get together into the gamete. And next generation to same combination by. ठीक है सर? तो it was first studied in Drosophila melanogaster. Okay? तो ताते की देखिছিল red eyes और grey body की होय? These are the genes which are present in the same chromosome. Okay? तो जेते next generation ऐसे cross करे बिने तो देखिसे कि same parental combination to repeat होय ऐसे. There is no changes. Okay? तो there was a thought like kisuman genes ase jibilak they don't follow the law of independent assortment. So from that concept came the idea of linkage. Batson and Pune the sweet pea study korisil. Okay, Morgan studied it in Drosophila melanogaster. So linkage যেতিয়া পঢ়িম আমি তেতিয়া এটা similarly এটা term আহে যাৰ নাম হল crossing over. Suppose this is a chromosome, এটা এটা chromosome. Okay, তো ইয়াতে আছে মোৰ gene A, capital B, B. Okay. It's a normal condition. These genes are not linked. Okay. So, ki hoy normally crossing over hoy. Like this segment changes with exchange with this segment. So, a exchange to kya ami kaho crossing over. And crossing over gives rise to new combinations. Okay. तो যেতিয়া genes bilak link na thake je ki hoy normally crossing over thake crossing over hoy যেতিয়া হতে link থাকে তেতিয়া কি হয় crossing over hobo নোৱাৰে তো in normal case কি হয় crossing over হয় and whenever the genes are linked তেতিয়া হলে crossing over hobo নোৱাৰে कार ঘৰৰ আৱাজ আহি আছে মিউট কৰি দিয়া ডিস্টার্ব হৈ আছে যেতিয়া ক্রসিং ওভার হ'ব ऊपर केस तो जदि आमी याते साउ सपोज दे आर क्रॉसिंग ओवर हो गल ठीक है तो क्रॉसिंग ओवर हो जोर लगे लगे सपोज मैं एटा पेयर ललो ए बी बी तो सोआ याते ता न्यू आफ्टर क्रॉसिंग ओवर this A will shift to here and this A will go to here ठीक है से तो the new combination ami pam beyond parental combination clear whole crossing over or crossing over further details pai jaba upcoming lectures okay तो just इटा basic concept eta rakha linkage aru crossing over jetia link genes thake tete crossing over hobo noare because ita exchange nohoy hote oda ekeloge thake okay but in case of crossing over you will get a new combination okay a link thakile crossing over hobo noare because they always stay together যেতিয়া এক্সাম্পলছ বিলাক দিম তেতিয়া বুজি পাবা Now coming to types of linkage. So types of linkage তোমালোকে ভালকে বুজি পাবা কি হয় types of linkage দুটা আছে এটা হল complete linkage এটা হল incomplete linkage Complete linkage ketia hoy whenever the genes are closely located jetia genes bila closely located hoy tetia ki hobo obviously linkage besi hobo they don't tend to separate when the genes are closely located in the chromosome they show there is no chance of crossing over तो crossing over और एको chance ना थके when the genes are closely located in the chromosome there is no chance of crossing over एकदम chance ना थके and such genes are always transmitted together to the gamete genes that are transmitted together to the gamete and further to the offspring to jibilak genes closely located hoy hebilakot ki hoy complete linkage hoy okay this is the तो याते लिंकेजर चांस बेसी থাকে याते लिंकेजर चांस কম থাকিব जिमान क्लोजली रिलेटेड হয় जिमान क्लोज डिस्टेंसত থাকে হিমান বেছি লিংকেজৰ চান্স থাকে যেতিয়া ফ্যাক্টৰস ডিটারমাইনিং লিংকেজ অর ফ্যাক্টরস এফেক্টিং লিংকেজ পঢ়িম তে সাবা ডিস্টেন্সৰ লগত ইনভার্সলি রিলেটেড হয় লিংকেজ जिमाনে কম ডিস্টেন্স থাকিব বিটুইন টু জিন ক্লোজলি লিংকড ওকে जिमान বেছি ডিস্টেন্স থাকিব হিমান লেস লিংক ওকে সো ডিস্টেন্সৰ লগত ইনভার্সলি লিংকেজে ইনভার্সলি প্রপোর্শনাল হয় So complete linkage at ki hoy the genes are closely related no crossing over take place at all aur khei karone complete linkage at ki hobo 100% parents form hobo 100% parental combination e form hobo eta ma cross to kori dekhai asu ta gom paba Suppose this is the parental type capital G L G L eto gray body loise which is dominant and long wing loise okay and a pine black body aru vestigial wing loise which are dominant which are recessive aru epine dominant characters loise okay so parental ki hobo gray body long wing aru efale black body vestigial wing loise to gametes ki produce hobo yar para G L আৰু ইয়াৰ পৰা স্মল g আৰু স্মল l তো যেতিয়া f1 কৰিলো f1 কৰোতে কি পাম আমি capital G capital L small g small l okay তো এটু পালো f1 f1 hybrid যেতিয়া আমি f1 ক self pollinate কৰিলো that is f2 f2 ত আমি পাম কি পাম capital G capital L আৰু ইফালে পাম capital G capital L small g small l আৰু ইফালে পাম small g small l capital G capital L আৰু এটা কম্বিনেশন পাম তো f2 কৰিলে আমি ইটো কম্বিনেশন পাম লাইক আৰু এটা গ্যামেট ড্ৰ কৰলো তো সোয়া ইয়াতে phenotypic ratio to কি পাবা like what is the phenotypic ratio of f2 in case of complete linkage this is gray long this is also gray long a2 same gray long আৰু লাস্টৰ to হ'ব black আৰু vestigial clear so phenotypic ratio will be 3:1 clear hoise this is an example of complete linkage जो independent assortment one eye okay first parental লোৱা হৈছে gray body long wing যেটো dominant হয় আৰু এফালে লোৱা হৈছে black body vestigial wing যেতে gametes বিলা গুলালে capital G capital L small g small l f1 generation we cross f1 generation আমি এটো hybrid পালো hybrid to যেতে আমি cross কৰিলো we have observed that the phenotypic ratio is 3:1 that is gray long and black vestigial and gray long আৰু black vestigial দুইটাই কি হয় parental trait আছিল তো ইয়াতে new combination form নহলে তো ইয়াতে 100% parental combination produce hoise is it clear everyone okay so yate complete linkage ot 100% parental combination produce hoy okay just cross to sai loba ma pdf ot di disu details ot cross to yate jodi cover clear one I cross to pdf ot sai loba next ami acha test cross ratio kiman hobo test cross ratio ki hobo anyone f1 cross kora so test cross jetia kore tetia ami ki pam capital G etu asile f1 hybrid or logot ami recessive parent to cross koribo laibo recessive parent to cross korile ami ki pam yar pra ami gametes pam ki GL আৰু GL আৰু ইয়াৰ পৰা পাম gametes G আৰু L তো যেতিয়া আমি ক্ৰস কৰিম তেতিয়া আমি পাম capital G capital L like G আৰু L আৰু এফালে পাম এটোটা কৰিলে G L small g small l small g small l test cross ratio kiman pam 1:1 okay Mendel's dihybrid cross or test cross ratio ki thake Mendel's or dihybrid cross or test cross ratio ki thake 1:1:1:1 কিন্তু ইয়াতে আমি কি পাইছো the ratio of test cross is 1:1 মেণ্ডেলৰ ডাইহাইব্ৰিড ক্ৰছত টেষ্ট ক্ৰছ ৰেশিও থাকে 1:1:1:1 but ami in case of complete linkage we got it only 1:1 clear everyone okay I am moving towards incomplete linkage to incomplete linkage ot ki hoy the genes which are not closely related or closely located okay jibila closely located nohoy they can show incomplete linkage ot you will also get parental combination plus new combination yate ami jeneke 100% parental paiso tate teneka na pao tate we will get parental plus new combination so in case of incomplete linkage parents ot lulu AB small a small b okay to yar pra ami gametes pam capital A capital B aru yar pra ami pam small a small b তারপর আমি সেলফিং করিম সেলফিং কৰিলে আমি পাম A B A B ওকে তো এইখিনিলৈকে তো ক্লিয়াৰ আছে লাষ্ট স্টেপত যি হৈছিল এইখিনিয়ে তো যেতিয়া সেলফিং কৰিম তাৰপিছত আমি সৰি এটো আমি F1 পাম যেতিয়া আমি সেলফিং কৰিম F1 ক তেতিয়া আমি কি গম পাম লাইক capital A B small b capital A capital B small b okay so yate ki hobo the genes are not completely linked so yate ki hobo crossing over hobo pare okay so yate ki hobo pare crossing over hobo pare so due to crossing over a new combination will come so yate swa capital A B capital A logot yate ahi jabo small b small a and capital B aru yate ahibo same A aru B to yate swa you can find two new combinations coming yate ki asil initially small a asile but due to crossing over this A will shift to here and A etu jabo yate so as a result ami duta new combination pam and this follows the law of independent assortment mote hobo new combination will also come along with parental combination they can assort independently june jar logot adult log khabo pare okay so as a result new combination will be formed. আৰু এইটো হয় parental, এইটো হয় parental. Clear? To understand incomplete linkage, I have taken the example till F1 clear আছে. যেতিয়া F1 to আমি self কৰি থাকিম তেতিয়া কি হ'ব crossing over হ'ব. As a result কি হ'ব new combination form হ'ব. Okay, but parental combination থাকিব. So ইয়াতে কি হ'ব law of independent assortment follow হৈছে. তো ইয়াতে parental তুমি দেখিবা 50% parental আৰু 50% new combination. ঠিক আছে? তো in case of incomplete linkage 50% new combination আৰু 50% parental combination থাকে. Parental কেতিয়াও 50% তকে কম নহয়. Okay, so ইয়াৰে যদি test cross to চাবলৈ যাম, test cross ratio কি হ'ব? Anyone? Complete linkage asile test cross ratio 1:1. Kintu in case of incomplete linkage the test cross ratio will be, suppose A B B into A B B. तो यार पर जी तो gametes form होबो A capital B capital A small b small a capital B A B. और यार पर gametes होबो A B. Okay, तो आमी की पाम सारिता new combination पाम A B B एटू होबो capital A small b small b एटू होबो A capital B small b और एटू होबो A B B. So we get totally 4 new combination and the test cross ratio in case of incomplete dominance is 1:1:1:1. तो मने रखिबा test cross ratio in case of complete linkage complete linkage is 1:1 and in case of incomplete linkage it is 1:1:1:1. Okay, so it Mendeler jitu test cross ratio is dihybrid crosser hetu follow korise. So these are the two phenotypes of complete linkage or under complete linkage or incomplete linkage. Hope so it's clear. So next I will move towards the factors that affect linkage. So already I have mentioned about the distance factor. So distance is inversely proportional to the linkage. Jimane basic distance thakibo himane kom linkage. Factors affecting linkage. First whole distance. Distance at ki hobo? Distance is inversely proportional to linkage. Okay, jimane duta gene closely related thakibo himane kom linkage jimane duta gene jimane usor thakibo himane linkage beshi hobo. Smaller the distance, greater the linkage. And crossing over logot keneke relate hobo? Distance is directly related to crossing over. तो जिमाने बेसी की होबो जिमाने डिस्टेंस उसर থাকিব हिमाने बेसी लिंकेज और हिमाने कम क्रॉसिंग ओवर. Greater the linkage, less crossing over. So this is the first factor and it is very important. The second factor is age. With age, crossing over decreases, that is linkage increases. Linkage increases with age, that is crossing over decreases. तो जिमाने बेसी एज होबो हिमाने लिंकेज इंक्रीज होबो और क्रॉसिंग ओवर डिक्रीज होबो. द थर्ड फैक्टर इज टेम्परेचर. तो टेम्परेचर जिमाने इंक्रीज होबो क्रॉसिंग ओवर इंक्रीज होबो. एज अ रिजल्ट लिंकेज डिक्रीज होबो. टेम्परेचर डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू क्रॉसिंग ओवर and inversely proportional to linkage. जिमाने बेसी टेम्परेचर होबो हिमाने बेसी क्रॉसिंग ओवर होबो और हिमाने लिंकेज कम होबो. ओके, सो एज इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू लिंकेज, इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू क्रॉसिंग ओवर. एंड द थर्ड फैक्ट एंड द लास्ट फैक्टर इज एक्स-रेज. X-rays can reduce the strength of linkage. That is, they are beneficial for crossing over. Okay? तो factors affecting linkage और first होबो distance. Distance to inversely proportional হয় linkage और লগত जिमाने उसर থাকিব हिमाने linkage की होबो बेसी होबो. Age increases, age linkage increases with age. Temperature directly proportional to crossing over and inversely proportional to linkage. X-rays are also inversely proportional to linkage, that is they reduce the linkage. The last topic left is about linkage is linkage group. So linkage group माने की होय? So linkage group to sailwa. Suppose this is a chromosome. This is a chromosome. Yate ase genes. A pair of homologous chromosome together form a linkage group. Two chromosomes make a linkage group. तो আৰু এইবিলাক লিংক জিন্স. লিংক জিন্স और আমি কব পাৰো যে নাম্বার অফ লিংকেজ গ্ৰুপ is equal to total number of chromosomes of that organism divided by 2. So number of linkage group is total number of chromosomes of that organism divided by 2. Number of, so जिमान क्रोमोसोम থাকে এটা অর্গানিজমৰ তাৰ হাফ কৰি দিলে নাম্বাৰ অফ লিংকেজ গ্ৰুপ পাই যাবা. সো হোমৱৰ্ক লাইক আই উইল গিভ ইউ টু কোৱেশ্চন জাষ্ট ট্ৰাই ফৰ নেক্সট ক্লাছ. মেল হিউমেনত লিংকেজ গ্ৰুপ কিমান থাকে আৰু ফিমেলত কিমান থাকে. Okay, tell me in your next class male human linkage group number and female human linkage group number. Okay, so thank you everyone for the class. Okay.